Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and today I am presenting my capstone project for Google and Kaggle 5-day vibe coding course, and my project name is OmniPilot AI, and it is an offline first multi-agent AI workspace inspired by Google ADK and MCP. Main goal is to help users plan tasks, create study schedules, prioritize work, and organize their daily activities. And main feature is that all running completely on local machine without any cloud APIs or internet connectivity. You can see my project OmniPilot AI. Now, first, the problem statement. Today's productivity often face several limitations like require continuous internet connectivities, depend on API keys, introduce recurring operational cost, privacy concern, and depend on single AI model and lacks of structure workflow. All these problems will be solved by this agent. Now, our solution looks like this. I have built four multiple agents instead of single one. Firstly, planner agent which understand the user request. Second, task optimization agent which prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency. Third, exam study agent, which creates structured study plans and active recall sessions. And at last, live scheduler agent, which generates an optimized daily or weekly schedule. Now, let me quickly show you the dashboard, which looks like this OmniPilot AI. At left side, dashboard, multi-agent chat, timeline and calendar, security logs. At top right, clear database options are available. You can simply press and clear database and four active agents, three local MCP tools, six schedule slots, and ADK multi-agent graph compilation start, planner agent, task optimizer, exam study, live scheduler. Now move to the quick demo chat with multi-agent. Simply add some prompt like chemistry exam preparation schedule and launch agent workflow. And you can see at right side real-time compilation logs are generated and planner initialize prioritize complete and at last active recall deck created. Now move to next timelines and calendar. You can see here integrated balance calendar export ISC file and processing will be generated. Looks like this ISC file and click and simply download it. Now, key concept used. I have used four key concept like first agent multi-agent system, MCP server, security features, and last agent skills CLI. And architecture look like this. Main tech stack involve front end using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Back end uses Python, Fast API. AI architecture uses Google ADK workflows and MCP used in communication, local JSON database storage, and Python subprocess used in CLI skills. Fully run locally environment and real world use cases study student exam planning developer sprint planning daily productivity team management and many more. And the final future improvement includes local LLM integration, optional cloud synchronization, mobile companion applications, voice-based planning assistant, collaborating teamwork workspace. Thank you to Google and Kaggle for organizing this amazing 5-day AI agent course. It was a great learning experience that helped me explore Google ADK concepts, multi-agent architecture, MCP in practical projects. I hope this project returns again in future even more exciting challenge. Thank you for watching my video.